Guys, mga atis, welcome back sa akin channel. Si Guys Alan, ito na naman tayo bagong video na papanoorin, nagbibigay ng reaction at opinion. Ito yung video ni Julian San Jose sa kanya, Julie Sings the Divas. At pinerform niya yung kantang Proud Mary. So, actually, this is a request by Mr. if I'm not mistaken, Louis Morissette. I don't know. Bigla akong may naalala tuloy ako sa pangalan niya. So, Louis Morissette, ito yung request mo. So, I don't know kung he or she, Louis, it's more he, na nag-request siya doon sa isang channel ko yung Lagay Alan Borja. So, sabi ko dito siya manood ng mga latest reaction video ko. So nag-request siya dito sa channel ko and this is his request actually. Request niya to and request na rin niya rito. So, nirequest niya itong song ay performance ni Julian San Jose ng Proud Mary. So, actually, napanood ko na to portion. Napanood ko na to doon sa ginawa kong reaction video nung Julian versus Morissette Amon. So this time, mapapanood ko yung buong performance ni Julian San Jose ng Proud Mary. So I can't wait to see this performance and later be giving my reaction and opinion on the performance of Julian San Jose. So let's go! So thank you for
Those were the good old days.
for this video.
Are you ready for this? Hey. Come on, everyone, put your hands in the air. Like this. Left a good job in the city, working for the men every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, and I was worried by the way that things might have been. Yeah, but we'll keep on turning, proud and keep on burning, and we're rolling, rolling on the river. Cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis, pumped a lot of tape down to New Orleans, but I'll never
Okay, ito yung napanood natin yung performance ni Julian San Jose ng Proud Mary. And again, gusto ko muna magpasalamat kay Louis Morissette. Hindi ko maalala yung apelyido niya. Pero thank you for requesting. Talagang nag-jump ka pa from one channel to another para lang may request mo to. So thank you very much, Louis Morissette. So now, tama yung naging reaction ko to sa previous video ko about yung kina Julian sa Morissette. And I can say na I will stand on what I have said in my past reaction video. Ang ganda, pinakamagandang version ng Proud Mary ito compared to kay Morissette. Ang linis, ang klaro, as in yung talagang yung very lively yung performance ng Julian San Jose dito. And mas malaki pa yung nakita ko kaysa sa reaction video sa comparison video na ginawan ko ng reaction. Mas malaki nakita ko dito, and totally satisfied pa ako sa performance ni Julian San Jose dito. And yung in-expect kong performance talagang binigay sa akin ni Julian San Jose. And I agree also to the one na nag-react dun sa isang reaction video ko na sabi nila na ginawang pop. Yes, I agree, naging pop itong version ni Julian, pero hindi siya totally lumayo dun sa version ni original version. And I love it. And hindi siya pangit tingnan, hindi siya dramatic, hindi siya yung OA gawan. Yung arrangement niya was totally very good. Nag-swak pa rin siya dun sa original na arrangement ng song, and I love it. At ito ulit-ulitin ko lagi. Ang klaro ng performance ni Julian. Yung from the diction ng mga words, sobrang galing. And hindi niya kailangan bumirit dito sa song na to para lang improve na magaling siya. Hindi niya kailangan mag-whistle para improve na magaling siya. She has proven herself as one of the best singers in the Philippines. Diba? Rock, rap, pop, ballad, theatrical, diba? Soul, kayang gawin ni Julian. Julian is the best. With this performance, this prove her as a versatile singer na only few can do such thing na nakagawa ng magandang version ng bawat genre ng song, diba? So, congrats to Julian San Jose, and congrats to all the fans of Julian, because you deserve a praise dahil hinangaan nyo isang taong talagang deserving matawag na star. I hope na gusto nyo itong reaction video ko kay Julian, and gusto ko rin i-clear hindi ako kapuso, hindi ako kapamilya. I'm in between. Bari akong sinusuportahan ang both network and both talents ng dalawang network na to. So, nakakataon lang, may akong nakikita gusto dito, may nakikita akong gusto dito, pero it doesn't mean is one-sided ako. Nakakataon lang nung ginawan ko ng reaction video yung sorry, kaya pa lang ilabas to kasi may maraming ilabas ng di ba gandang reaction video sa may comparison video ng kay Julian sa Morissette. Nakakataon lang na mas napaboran ko si Julian because nagustuhan ko yung performance niya over Morissette. But still, wala kayo narinig sa akin. Hindi ko sinabing pangit performance ni Morissette. Hindi ko lang nagustuhan. Hindi siya umabot sa expectation ko. Yun lang. So, huwag niyo ako i-bash. Okay? Sabi ko lang, wala akong binigyan ng negative comments on her voice, on her whatsoever. Yun lang, yung arrangement lang ng song, hindi ko nagustuhan. Hindi niya naabot expectation ko. So, there you go. So, maraming salamat sa panonood ninyo sa aming video, and I hope sana tuloy-tuloy. And mag-request kayo or mag-suggest, and para naman alam ko kung anong gusto niyo yung video na ginagawa ko ng reaction video. And again, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, hindi ako nagpapaka-technical dito, hindi ako nagpapaka-marunong. My reaction here is purely as a fan. A fan na medyo nakakaintindi sa music, yun lang. So, but even though kahit hindi ako sa music, hindi ko na-try na maging technical or umaabot sa, kailangan analyze ko yung bawat performance nila. It is only based on what I hear and what I saw. Yun lang. So, kayo magaling sa akin na nagmamadulong ako. Kasi may nagsabi nagmamadulong daw ako. So, no. I'm just a fan of music. I'm just a fan of of songs, Filipino songs, especially Filipino songs. So there you go. So before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things: comment, like, subscribe, and share my video. So there you go. So have a nice day and bye bye to all.